Hi there, let's take a look at using a set of data to create a box plot. When creating a box plot, we are going to want to find the 5-number summary. In order to do that, we're going to take our data and we're going to put it in order from least to greatest. So with this data, we have 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 15. Once the data is in order from least to greatest, first thing that we're going to want to find is the median. So the median is going to be right here between 10 and 11. There's 4 numbers on the left, 4 numbers on the right, so this line is right in the center. The number between 10 and 11 is 10.5, 10 and a half. So that's going to be our median. To find the lower quartile and the upper quartile, that is the lower median and the upper median. So on the lower half, we have 8, 9, 9, and 10. The lower median is actually going to be right here between those two 9s. Well, the only number in between 9 and 9 is 9. So that's going to be our lower median. We know it is in the middle because there is 2 numbers on this side and 2 numbers on this side. On the right half, on the upper half, the upper median will be right here between 12 and 13, splitting it 2 and 2. The upper median will be 12 and a half. So Q1 was 9, Q3 was 12.5. For the minimum and maximum value, you just underline them. The minimum is 8, the furthest left, the least number. The maximum is the furthest right, the greatest number, 15. In order to find the interquartile range, we're just going to take Q3 and subtract Q1. 12.5 minus 9 does give us 3.5. or 3.5. In order to transfer that information into a box plot, this is our 5-point summary, our 5-number summary. We're going to take those 5 points and actually put points above the number line. So we're going to have a point at 8. We're going to have a point at 9. We're going to have a point at 10.5. We will have a point at 12.5. And last but not least, a point over here at 15. When creating a box plot, I like to put the whiskers first. It's also known as a box and whisker. So the outer 2 dots on the left and the outer 2 dots on the right will be connected with straight lines, or whiskers. In the middle here, we're going to connect all of these middle dots with a box. So it'll look a little bit like that. And the last step is just finding wherever your median is. Right here it's at 10.5, and that will be a line right there through that point. And so that is how you take a set of data and create a box and whisker or box plot.